In this video I'll show you how to remove the radio of your Hyundai Accent. Okay, it's very simple, it should only take 3 minutes. Take one of these tools or a flathead screwdriver or a thin knife and go on one of the side of this plastic bezel and pull it out. It's held by some plastic clips. Try to go on the other side. If it's too hard, then you can try pull it with your hand. Sometimes it works just like that, but sometimes it's still too hard, so you'll need to unclip more with your tool. You see? Again, I'm trying and it doesn't work, so I'll go here. And yeah, I feel it coming loose, but yeah. Those clips can be a bit hard to remove, so be patient. Here we go. Now it will slide very easily. Pull it on a side and you'll see there are some connectors that you'll need to remove. Just press on the tab and pull it. You see there is a small tab right under here. You need to press it with your finger and to pull it. It's a bit hard to do it with only one hand, so I'll just put the camera here, and it's much easier if you can hold the bezel with the other hand and pull the plug this way. So now we have this panel out, put it aside, and to remove the radio you need to remove this Phillips screw and this one, and there's one on the other side too. Be careful to not lose the screws. Here I really don't care since I'm at the scrapyard and I don't need those screws, but if you're gonna reinstall a new radio, obviously you need to take care of these and not lose them. Once all the screws are out, you can just slide the radio out this way and you'll have to remove the connectors. The antenna is the easiest one, you just have to pull it this way. And if there are other connectors, you just need again to press the tab and pull at the same time. Here we go. So this radio came with the small storage cubby under. If your radio is much bigger, well, just remove the cubby that is under by undoing these Phillips screws, and you'll be able to have a much bigger stereo. So there are screws on each side. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please leave a like and maybe a comment. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.